awardees for Honorary Local Chief Executive of the Year. And now, moving on to our next awardee.
Alright, our next awardee is being awarded Honorary Local Chief Executive of the Year. She is the Mayor from the City of Government of Tayabas City, Quezon. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome on stage the always beautiful, the Honorable, lovely Reynoso Pontioso.
Of course, with a very supportive better half, Mr. Pontioso.
Service is the very essence of leadership. This I discovered early in life through my mother, our dearly beloved former city mayor. As I witnessed a woman truly devoted to the task to serve our beloved city of Tayabas. Time and again, I say salamat po. To nation builders and most live awards, Sir Kenneth, and everyone, thank you for recognizing leaders who truly serve. To my husband who is with me tonight and always, to my family, to all who believe in Mayor Lovely. Time and again, I won't let my people down. Patuloy po ako mangangarap, magsisikap, at maglilingkod. Patnubayan sana ako ng Diyos. For the people of the city of Tayabas, this is for you. Magandang gabi po at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.